crafters, and today I'm doing another sewing doll dress. So thank you for Tulle Wood, the person that actually gave me the free pattern. Thank you so much. So I'm just using the remains of the fabric that I actually used from a previous video. If you like this video, give me a like, share, and subscribe, and God bless. Thank you. So thank you again for Tulle Wood for the free pattern online. I really appreciate it. So I'm so excited. I'm just using the left remains of my fabric from my previous video. So enjoy. Just do a little bit more of a trimming. As you can see, everything has been cut out. So thank you for Tulle Wood for the free pattern. I am not doing the straps this time. It's too narrow. If I want to do the straps, I'll do it ribbon. So at this point, I am sewing it on a 1/2 inch base stitch. Not a 5/8, just a 1/2 inch as a fashion industry standard. I am dialing it to 4 inches of a length and 2.1 of a width. Just giving more of a gathering stitch kind of vibe to it. So I have both right sides together and I'm actually base stitching with the gathering seam. As doing the hem of the over-under fold, this is a top stitching. And on top of it, I'm doing a hand stitching on the snaps. Just make sure it is a right fit, it is closed well. It looks pretty good. The setting of the dress is good. The snaps have been setting pretty well. And yeah, it's just fastened really well. So what do you think, guys? If you love my project, give me a like, share, and subscribe. And thank you, and God bless, and stay safe.